Hi my lovely viewers, this is LOIT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set on do not disturb notification in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the search options. Here I have, so in search option we will find it settings. Here I have clicked. So in settings I will go to the system. So in system there are lots of options. So here the notifications. So what have there have alerts from apps and systems, also included do not disturb. So click here, see here do not disturb. So what has it has notification will be sent directly to the notification center. So center here. So hopefully the sign has been changed here. So by default it has off. Now I want to on. See on, and the sign has been changed. So in this way we can turn on these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.